We continue with the selection tools in Photoshop. Let's start with the Magic Wand tool. The Magic Wand is used to select an area based on a specific color. It's best used when selecting areas where color is varied, but you want to select a specific color area. We can choose the Magic Wand tool either by clicking on its icon or by using the keyboard shortcut W. Notice we have 4 squares and each pair of them are identical and has the same color. So, if I click on the red square, I will select anything inside the canvas which is red. And if I click on the green square, I will select anything which is green. And if I click on the white background, I will select anything which is pure white. So basically, the Magic Wand tool is used only when we want to select specific colors. Now let's move to the Quick Selection tool, which has the same keyboard shortcut of W, which I can access by pressing Shift W until I see it selected. Now I want to select this bird and then copy it and use it against this background. With the Quick Selection tool selected, I paint on the bird in order to select it. And if I make any mistake and accidentally select something else, I can deselect it by holding down the Alt key and then painting on it. Now after I selected the bird, I will copy it inside a new layer by pressing Ctrl J. And there you are, we have the bird jumped inside the new layer. And then I will make sure it's on top of the background layer and we have this nice picture. Now the same can be done using the Object Selection tool. Notice if I select it and draw a rectangle marquee and then release it, it will select the bird automatically. But it requires some adjustments. As you can see, it hasn't selected some areas. So we can select those remaining parts by choosing the Quick Selection tool to add to our selection. And then I can repeat the same steps and copy the image and put it against other backgrounds. And that is how we use selection tools inside Photoshop.